In any commercial cleaning operation, efficiency is key. Time spent moving from one area to another without the proper tools, or repeatedly retrieving supplies from storage, can significantly impact productivity. This is where a janitorial cart comes in as a valuable asset for any cleaning crew. By organizing tools, cleaning supplies, and waste receptacles into one portable unit, a janitorial cart helps reduce the time spent cleaning while ensuring that everything you need is at your fingertips. In this post, we will explore how utilizing a janitorial cart can make commercial cleaning more efficient, the essential features of a high-quality janitorial cart, and how it can optimize workflows in commercial accounts. If you're a cleaning professional or business owner, this guide will help you understand the role of the janitorial cart in improving productivity. The importance of efficiency in commercial cleaning. Commercial spaces like offices, schools, hospitals, and retail stores demand high standards of cleanliness. These environments are often large, with high traffic in multiple rooms or areas that require consistent cleaning. Without an efficient system in place, janitorial teams can waste valuable time. Retrieving supplies from a distant closet. Walking back and forth to empty trash bins. Looking for the right cleaning product for specific tasks. All of these inefficiencies add up, resulting in longer work hours, lower productivity, and potentially dissatisfied clients. A well-equipped janitorial cart is a game-changer in preventing these bottlenecks. Features of a janitorial cart that boost efficiency. When selecting a janitorial cart, it's important to look for certain features that will help streamline your cleaning tasks. Below are the key components that make a janitorial cart an essential tool for reducing cleaning time. 1. Ample storage space. A standard janitorial cart provides multiple compartments, shelves, and hooks to store all your cleaning essentials. Whether it's mop heads, spray bottles, cloths, disinfectants, or sanitizers, the cart ensures that everything you need is organized in one place. This eliminates the need for trips back to storage rooms, minimizing downtime. Top shelf, ideal for storing cleaning sprays, cloths, or paper towels for easy access. Lower shelves, these larger compartments can hold bulkier items like buckets, dustpans, or extra waste liners. Built-in hooks for mops, brooms, or dusters ensure that cleaning tools are secure and within easy reach. 2. Trash and waste management. Most janitorial carts come with built-in garbage bags or waste bins, allowing for easy collection and removal of trash as you move through different areas of a facility. This not only saves time but also keeps the environment organized and clutter-free. Instead of walking back and forth to empty trash cans, the janitorial cart enables you to dispose of waste efficiently while continuing other tasks. Some advanced carts offer multiple waste bag compartments for sorting recycling from regular waste, further improving time management and adhering to green cleaning practices. 3. Mobility and maneuverability. One of the standout features of a janitorial cart is its mobility. The cart is typically equipped with sturdy, smooth rolling wheels that allow for easy movement across various types of flooring, from carpet to tile. For larger commercial spaces, this feature is a major time saver, ensuring that cleaning professionals can move quickly from one area to another without needing to carry heavy equipment. Look for janitorial carts with 360-degree swivel wheels that enhance maneuverability, particularly in tight spaces or narrow hallways. 4. Durable construction. A high-quality janitorial cart is built to last. Made from durable plastic or metal, these carts are designed to withstand the wear and tear of everyday use in busy commercial environments. Opting for a durable cart means fewer breakdowns, less frequent replacements, and greater reliability, all of which contribute to long-term efficiency. Durability also extends to the cart's ability to carry heavy loads. Whether it's large quantities of cleaning supplies, tools, or trash, the cart should be able to handle the weight without compromising its structure. 5. Ergonomics. The design of the janitorial cart should also prioritize ergonomics to reduce strain on the cleaning staff. Carts with adjustable handles and easy-to-reach compartments allow for more comfortable use. This helps prevent fatigue, reducing the time needed to complete tasks, as cleaners can work more comfortably and at a quicker pace. How a janitorial cart can optimize your cleaning process. Now that we've covered the essential features of a janitorial cart, let's look at how it directly reduces the time spent cleaning and improves overall productivity. 1. Consolidates cleaning supplies. With a janitorial cart, all your cleaning products, tools, and waste management supplies are consolidated into one mobile station. Instead of walking back and forth to a supply closet, cleaners can move through the facility with everything they need within arm's reach. This eliminates unnecessary trips and interruptions, allowing cleaners to maintain focus and complete tasks more quickly. 2. Improves waste removal efficiency. Having waste bins directly on the janitorial cart speeds up trash collection, particularly in large commercial buildings where trash bins may be scattered throughout different floors or sections. Cleaning staff can quickly empty bins into the cart's waste compartment and continue with their tasks, without having to make separate trips to a central waste disposal area. 3. Enhances task transitioning. Switching between tasks becomes easier with a well-organized cart. Cleaners can transition from mopping to dusting to disinfecting with minimal setup time. The cart's design encourages a natural flow of work, minimizing the need to stop, reorganize, or search for specific items. 4. Reduces physical strain on employees. By eliminating the need to carry heavy cleaning supplies or repeatedly bend down to retrieve tools, a janitorial cart helps reduce physical strain on employees. This leads to less fatigue, allowing them to work faster and more efficiently throughout their shift. In the long run, this also decreases the risk of injury, ensuring that your staff remains healthy and productive. 5. Minimizes cleaning downtime. Downtime is one of the biggest time sinks in commercial cleaning. Whether it's searching for a misplaced spray bottle or heading back to storage for an extra mop head, small delays can add up. A janitorial cart minimizes downtime by keeping everything organized and readily available, allowing cleaners to work without unnecessary interruptions. For janitorial businesses, investing in a janitorial cart is not just a way to reduce cleaning time, it's a way to improve the overall efficiency of your team. By equipping your staff with the right tools and an organized system, you can streamline operations, reduce labor costs, and deliver faster, more effective service to your clients. With the right janitorial cart, you'll not only cut down on cleaning time but also improve the quality of your service, leading to higher customer satisfaction and more repeat business. Key takeaways. A janitorial cart is a valuable tool that can significantly reduce the time spent cleaning commercial spaces. Features like ample storage, waste management compartments, and smooth rolling wheels enhance efficiency and mobility. Consolidating cleaning supplies into one portable unit prevents unnecessary trips and interruptions. Reducing physical strain on cleaning staff allows them to work faster and more comfortably. Investing in a durable, ergonomic janitorial cart improves overall productivity and client satisfaction. By integrating a well-designed janitorial cart into your cleaning routine, your janitorial business can save time, reduce labor costs, and ensure consistently high-quality service across all commercial accounts. Nova Building Supply is your one-stop shop for top-tier cleaning products, supplies, and equipment across North America. We ship directly to our customers, ensuring a seamless shopping experience. Explore our catalog to enjoy significant savings. Visit our website at www.novabuildingsupply.com and shop our catalog. Don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Thanks for watching.